When the inside of your nose has a tickle or is irritated, you sneeze. Let's talk about it. Alright, sneezing. What's up with it? See, sneezing's actually more complex than us humans think. First, the inside of your nose gets irritated, then a message gets sent to your brain. Actually, a part of your brain called the sneeze center. The sneeze center then sends a message to all your muscles involved in the sneeze, such as abdominal muscles, the chest muscles, the diaphragm, the muscles that control your vocal cords, and muscles in the back of your throat. And don't forget the eyelid muscles. It's a job for the sneeze center to make all these muscles work together in just the right order to send that irritation flying out of your nose. Sneezing can send tiny particles speeding out of your nose at up to 100 miles per hour. Some common things that can irritate or tickle the inside of your nose is dust, cold air, and pepper. Your nose can also be irritated a lot if you have a cold. Interesting fact, 1 out of every 3 people sneeze when exposed to bright light. These people are called photic sneezers, and photic just means light. So from the sneeze center to 100 miles per hour snot, you learned the whole process of sneezing. If you enjoyed, express your happiness by liking, subscribing, and following me on Twitter. Thank you, hope you enjoyed, and we've talked about it.